Brand new to our inventory here at Myers Automall, we have this 2017 Ford F-250 XLT Super Crew Cab pickup truck. On the exterior of this F-250, we have a rear backup camera, step rails, and a towing package with trailer sway controls. On the inside, you have comfortable, spacious cloth seating for 5, fully automatic headlights, keyless entry, and a telescoping steering wheel. The LCD display has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2017 Ford F-250 XLT has less than 71,000 miles, and it comes with a Carfax buyback guarantee. Give Myers Automall a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.chrismyers.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.